Hello everyone, I am Amit Kumar Pandey, presenting here a very important topic, C-scan loop and C-loop disk scheduling algorithm. So starting from C-scan disk scheduling algorithm, first we see what are the basics of C-scan disk scheduling algorithm. In C-scan disk scheduling algorithm, the only difference with respect to scan algorithm is that it is designed to provide more uniformity in waiting time. In this, head or pointer works in a single direction. For example, it scans for the request all the way to a direction, and once it reaches the end, it jumps back to another end and services the request in the same direction, unlike scan does it in both reversed and forward direction. स्कैन और सी स्कैन में जो बेसिक डिफरेंस वो ये है कि जो स्कैन करता है वो दोनों डायरेक्शन में सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है, और जो सी स्कैन आपका है वो सिंगल डायरेक्शन में ही करेगा। या तो वो लेफ्ट टू राइट करेगा, तो वो हमेशा लेफ्ट टू राइट ही आपको सर्विस प्रोवाइड करेगा। अगर राइट टू लेफ्ट आप कर रहे हो तो वो राइट टू लेफ्ट ही करेगा, है ना। Let's take the sequence that have been requested in the ascending order of their time of arrival. Head is the position of the disk head. Let a direction represent whether the head is moving toward left or right. In the direction in which head is moving, service all tracks one by one. Calculate the absolute distance of the track from the head, then increment the total seat count with this distance. Currently, service track position now becomes the new head position, continuing the servicing until we reach at one of the end of the disk. If we reach at the end of the disk, then reverse the direction and go to another end and start servicing in same direction, and repeat this until all tracks in request array have not been serviced. For better understanding, here we take an example. The request sequence is 98, 183, 37, 122, 14, 124, 65, and 67. And initial or current head position is at 53. Okay. We opt the direction right means left to right. So here you can see the functioning of the C-scan disk scheduling algorithm. We start from 53 number, which was the current head position. Then it will move toward right, left to right. All the requests which comes in path from left to right from 53 to 199, it will service. When it reaches at 199 at the end of the right direction, then it will move toward the another end, toward the 0. Then again it will start servicing the request from 0 to 199, which again from left to right. Okay. At the end, we have to calculate the total head movements. So here we calculate the total head movements like 65 minus 53, and 67 minus 65, 98 minus 67, 122 minus 98, 124 minus 122, 183 minus 124, 199 minus 183, 199 minus 0. यहाँ पर आपको थोड़ा सा नोटिस करना है, ये चीज आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान देनी है। क्या 199 माइनस 0, आपको ये वाला मूवमेंट भी आपको यहाँ सी काउंट में लेना ही पड़ेगा, है ना। Then again 0 to 14, then 14 to 37, and total seat count will be 382. This was the C-scan disk scheduling algorithm. Now we will take another disk scheduling algorithm named as loop disk scheduling algorithm. So what are the function of loop disk scheduling algorithm and how it differ from scan? So loop algorithm is actually an improved version of scan algorithm. In this algorithm, the head starts from first request at one side of disk and moves toward the other end by servicing all requests in between. After reaching the last request of one end, the head reverses its direction and returns to the first request, servicing all requests in between. Unlike a scan, in this the head instead of going till last track, it goes till last request and then direction is changed. इस लुक और स्कैन में जो बेसिक डिफरेंस है वो ये है कि स्कैन में आप लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव कर रहे थे या राइट टू लेफ्ट मूव कर रहे थे, आप एंड तक जा रहे थे। मीन्स अगर आपका टोटल सेक्टर या ट्रैक नंबर 0 to 199 था, मीन्स टोटल 200 थे, तो आप 199 तक जा रहे थे। उसके बाद आप जो है जो मूवमेंट है उसकी डायरेक्शन आप चेंज करते थे। लुक में ये नहीं होने वाला। लुक में जो लास्ट रिक्वेस्ट होगी वहीं से आपकी हेड की जो डायरेक्शन है वो रिवर्स हो जाएगा। लास्ट रिक्वेस्ट है ना, नॉट द एंड। So for better understanding, here we take an example. So request is 98, 183, 40, 122, 10, 124, 65, and current head position is at 53 number. The direction is right, means we will move from left to right. Here you can see how the loop functions. 53, from 53 it will move to 65, then 65 to 98, 122, 124 till 183. अगर ये स्कैन होता लुक की जगह तो आप कहाँ जाते? आप जाते 199। यहाँ पर आपको 199 एंड तक नहीं जाना है, 183 द लास्ट रिक्वेस्ट। यहाँ से हम रिवर्स कर देंगे, जो आपका हेड की जो मूवमेंट है उसको हम रिवर्स कर देंगे। नाउ इट विल मूव टुवर्ड्स 0, है ना। तो 183 के बाद क्या आएगा? आफ्टर 183 देयर इज 40, it will serve 40, then in the last it will serve 10 number. So what is the total seek count? We will calculate the total head movement. 65 minus 53 plus 98 minus 65 plus 122 minus 98 plus 124 minus 122, 183 minus 124, 183 minus 50, 40 minus 10. And total head movement count will be 303. This was the loop. Now here is another disk scheduling algorithm named as C-loop disk scheduling algorithm. It is the modified version of loop disk scheduling algorithm. In this algorithm, the head starts from first request in one direction and moves toward the last request at the other direction, servicing all requests in between. After reaching last request in one end, the head jumps in other direction and move toward the remaining request and then satisfy them in same direction as before. Unlike loop, it satisfies request only in one direction. The major difference between loop and C-loop is in loop we will serve the request in both directions, but in C-loop we will serve the request only in one direction. For better understanding, we have to take an example. We take here an example like 98, 183, 40, 122, 10, 124, 65, and current head position is at 53. Direction will be left to right. So here we can see the functioning of C-loop algorithm. तो बाकी यहाँ तक तो सेम है। देखिए आप 53 to 183 यहाँ तक तो सेम है, सब ऐसे ही चलेगा। लुक में क्या था, 183 के बाद इधर जब हम उसकी डायरेक्शन को रिवर्स करते थे तो यहाँ पर भी हम रिक्वेस्ट को सर्व कर रहे थे। बट सी लुक में क्या होगा, सी लुक में आप यहाँ पे सर्व नहीं करेंगे, ये 183 से मूव करेगा टुवर्ड द अदर एंड 0 एंड देन 0 इट विल स्टार्ट सर्विंग द रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम 0 to 199, whatever left. Okay, now we have to calculate the total seek count. The total head movement of seek count will be 65 minus 53 plus 98 minus 65 plus 122 minus 98 plus 124 minus 122, then 183 minus 124, 183 minus 10, then 40 minus 10. Total will be 333. This is the C count for this request using C look disk scheduling algorithm. Hope आपको ये सारे टॉपिक बहुत क्लियरली समझ में आ गए होंगे. These are the references which I have used in my presentation slides. Thank you all. Thank you very much.